Hey there everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, you are going to see on Snapchat how to read messages without opening. So let's head over to our Snapchat application. Once you are there, make sure you have logged in into your desired account and then head over to your DM section. And here you will find the chats you didn't read. They will be marked out bold like this. So what you need to do is just to keep your finger on a specific chat and then swipe it to the right. Give it a slow swipe. And as you can see, I'm currently seeing or watching their chat. But if I just swipe back again, but the bold is not gone yet, it means they don't know I have read their chat, but I know I have read them. So in this way, you can do. Let me show you another one. So as you can see, they have sent me a snap and they took a screenshot of the chat. So yeah, this is how you know. Hope this video will help you out and we'll see you in the next video.